Hello, my dear kids. Today we are going to learn about 5 snakes' name in English and their important information with the help of photos and videos. So let's start. Dear kids, this is Anaconda. It lives in rivers and swamps of South America. Dear kids, this is common crate. It has a shiny black body with thin white bands. Dear kids, this is green vine snake. Green vine snakes are mildly venomous but generally harmless to humans. Dear kids, this is boa constrictor. Boa constrictor snake is a large and powerful snake. Dear kids, this is sea snake. Its tail is shaped like a paddle which helps it swim. So friends, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.